Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to customize header drop-down menu and add multi-level to make it more professional, more eye-catching and more user-friendly. So, let's get started. First of all, I want to show you the result, then we'll learn the process. Okay. So you can see that here is one of my Shopify online store and this is the default Shopify header menu and here is the drop down menu. In general, it's work when anyone click on this arrow, a drop down menu open in here. It's very normal design and by default design of Shopify free DOM theme. Okay, and we want to make this design more professional, eye-catching and make it more user friendly without hiring any developer. So that will be very easy and I will share the step-by-step code snippet, step-by-step guideline, of course include the code snippet, so you don't have to think about the writing any code or add or use any app. So you just have to follow the process and get the result. So what will be our ultimate or final result? Our ultimate or final result will be, looks here, you see we have added animation, and if I click on here, you see, wow, this is the ultimate final result and it's better. Of course you can change the color, background color, text color and border color, anything as you like. I will explain and show you how you can do this. Okay, so now we are going to start implement this picture. So before that, I think I have to share something about myself. That is, I am Faisal, a full-time Shopify developer and SEO expert. So if you need any Shopify store design, customize or development service, or if you want to learn anything relevant that, then you can hire me. Also, you can get the monthly basis SEO service from me. I help Shopify online store to get organic traffic and build their brand on the online. So you can contact with me, all the communication information in the descriptions, so you can contact with me anywhere like email, WhatsApp or as you like. Okay, another things is that I have already published 500 plus customization tutorials relevant Shopify, so you can check out my YouTube channel and subscribe on it to get all the update video, because I continuously doing this for all of the Shopify store owner, also the Shopify learner. You see, this is only custom developed or customized feature that you will not get in the by default on any Shopify free theme. Okay, so now we are going to implement this feature on our Shopify online store. So first of all, you have to go to your Shopify admin panel. Here is the Shopify admin panel, then click online store. Very simple process. Then click on this three dot icon, edit code. Here you have to open layout folder, then theme.liquid file, and now check out the description of this video and you will find this article link, how to customize header drop-down menu and add multi-level in Shopify DOM theme. So click on this link and you will go to this page. This is my e-commerce website. And then click on this copy code icon. All the code has been copied. Okay, also here you get the all the details in comment, how to change the transstitution like animation, rooted or also color, background color, everything. So you have to read on here if you want to change anything, or you just use the by default styling. Okay, so as we have already clicked on here, then go back and here you have to find Control F, type AC array head, int of head tag, you see, type it on your keyboard, then you will find this line of code. Simply make break space before int of this code. Okay, in here and paste the code that you have copied from here. Okay, then click on the save. Very simple process. I don't like to waste anyone time by spending or telling the gossiping. So asset save. Now we're going to reload our store. Reload again, and you can see, wow, it's working. Also go back in here and reload. Wow, it's working. So you can simply copy and paste this code snippet and use it on your Shopify online store. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.